Now, let me explain how to fix the issue when your CapCut project fails to open on your phone. First, as you can see here, restart the CapCut app and also consider rebooting your phone completely. First, as you can see here, we need to restart the CapCut app immediately. It's also advisable to completely shut down your phone. Now let's reboot it once to ensure everything runs smoothly afterward. Sometimes, as you can see here, the project may freeze due to RAM issues. Also, take a look at this. You can clear the cache in CapCut by going here and selecting the option to clear the cache. Now, as you can see here, once the cache is cleared, there will no longer be any strain on your CapCut app, ensuring smooth performance. Because the cache itself is a significant burden on the CapCut application. After this, you can also access your phone settings, where you should navigate to storage. There, carefully clear out unnecessary files on your device for better performance. After you've tried the previous steps and your project still won't open, as you can see here, you can also attempt to update CapCut to the latest version. This may resolve any lingering issues effectively. There are many versions available, but you simply need to update it to the latest one for optimal performance. That's all. Thank you for watching. Goodbye now.